I'm 160 pounds, and I haven't really seen many girls posting on their journey and being at my weight. That's why I want to share my journey. I'm not sure when I'm going to release this video, but whatever. At the time of filming this, I haven't announced it yet. I decided to make a really big decision. It's been like over 10 plus years that I have thought about this. I've made the decision, and I'm really excited to share this with you. I've been doing some research, searching for a plastic surgeon for a breast augmentation. One thing that I just kind of kept circling back to was I really wanted to make sure that I connected myself with a board certified surgeon. That was really important to me. I had been doing some research with different surgeons here in Illinois and also in Miami just to see what options that I had. And I felt really overwhelmed with all of the decision making, and honestly, I am no expert. I don't know what to even really look for or how to even start. Lucky enough, I found this company called Bliss, and they help to connect you with board certified surgeons. And then you speak to a rep from Bliss. My rep was really nice, and also what I really liked about my rep was that she also had a breast augmentation, and I was able to ask her things that I was curious about myself. And given that she had that experience, it was nice because she was like, oh yeah, this is what I went through, and just were able to connect on the fact that I was trying to do my own research and find a reputable board certified surgeon. I wanted to make sure that the surgeon that I instill my trust into is a trusted surgeon with an excellent track record. And pairing up with this company, Bliss, was very, very helpful and beneficial in my journey in researching. And it was nice because they really kind of took the load off of doing that. After I spoke with my rep and we kind of discussed what my expectations were, she sent me over an application, and I filled out that application. And within that application, I also took pictures of myself to send to the surgeons to basically, for them to shop my case to different surgeons. And I was matched with two plastic surgeons, so one here in Illinois and another one in Miami. And I ended up going with the plastic surgeon in Miami, and I'm really, really excited about it. They both kind of presented to me what their thoughts were on what it is that I needed and what type of procedure that I needed. And I ended up really liking the plastic surgeon in Miami, what he was recommending. I feel like that I put a lot of trust into that. So I will continue to talk about my journey, the things that I am experiencing, or all of the things that I do have to do in terms of preparing for the surgery. I'll kind of talk about how my pre-consultation was with the surgeon, and then I can talk a little bit further on what my expectations are, or how I'm currently preparing myself for this big surgery. But in the meantime, the company Bliss that helped match me with my perfect surgeon sent me a little goodie box, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I haven't opened it yet, so I'm really excited. I'm really curious to know what they have in this box. So let's open it together. It's so cute. I love it. Let's look at their little card here. It says, you plus Bliss, a perfect match. We're so excited to guide you through your cosmetic journey. We're here for you every step of the way, so don't hesitate to reach out with anything you need. There's only one I in Bliss. It's you, your Bliss care team. And that's one thing that I will say about the team at Bliss is they answer all of my questions. Even after they've matched me with my plastic surgeon, I still had additional questions for them. My rep always responded back to me, like even on weekends when I wasn't really expecting her to. It wasn't like an emergency or anything, but it was just things that I was curious about, or you know, along the research journey, I kind of like thought of new things to talk about or questions that I wanted to ask. And it was really nice because the Bliss team has been so responsive and they're so patient with me, and they were willing to answer all of my questions. And like I said, even after I was matched with my surgeon, I put down my deposit. I've heard other girls say things like, after I put my deposit down, I couldn't reach the team. I wasn't able to get my questions answered by the team. No one would call me back, but my experience hasn't been that at all. Not with Bliss, and as well not with my surgeon. I'm in constant communication with them, and whenever I have any questions, they're always very responsive and in answering my questions and guiding me along the way too. So I really do appreciate that. It kind of like brings like peace in knowing that I feel like I'm in like really great hands. So anyways, that's my little TED Talk. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? We hope you enjoy this special delivery. Our commitment to providing the finest products and service to our customers continues with you. Should you have any questions or experience any issues with your delivery, please feel free to reach out to the team. Yeah, see, so they're like very like caring and responsive and just very nurturing. So they gave me a little collagen eye patch, a firming collagen skin mask, which is really cute, probably perfect for after the surgery when I just want to like relax and pamper myself. The Herbal Zen Naturally Healthy Head Hug Shower Steamers. Ooh, 2 shower steamers with peppermint, basil, and rosemary. So that's really sweet. Nurturing herbal tea. It says, hey, we're Big Heart Tea. We don't take ourselves too seriously, but we mean serious business. We vet every step of our supply chain so that you're not just getting the best tea in the world. According to us, you are getting the best tea for the world. Ooh. It says, you are awesome. A plant-based candle. Very focused on being relaxed, getting into a relaxed space after surgery. It's kind of like a little care package, which is like really sweet. Okay, actually this smells like really heavenly. Okay, I love it. I'm definitely gonna burn this. I'm really excited to share this journey with you guys. I've continued to prepare myself for what's to come, that healing journey that I have, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me. Especially, I will say this. So one thing that I did is I joined some Facebook groups that are geared toward plastic surgery, and I have found a lot of really great information and firsthand experiences from the people that post there, and I'm really grateful for that group because they've really, you know, aided me in this journey that I'm going on as well. I've been able to ask my own questions, and people have been really responsive and friendly. Something that I've noticed a lot is I don't see many women with the same sort of like body type or weight as me, specifically my weight. my experience has been a lot of girls that are between 125 to like 140 pounds, and I'm a little bit bigger than that. I'm 160 pounds, and I haven't really seen many girls posting on their journey and being at my weight. That's why I want to share my journey, because if there's anyone out there that is at all similar to me, you know, with similar body type or, you know, similar measurements, then they can kind of experience the journey along with me. I know not everybody's the same, and you know, and even if we are, you know, similar weights, breast augmentation, that has a lot of other factors that go into it. Also, like the measurements of just your body, how wide, how narrow you might be. And if you guys are all interested in following me along the journey, then go ahead and follow me, and we can go through this together. And I hope to see you guys soon.